Hello, my name is Adriana, virtual assistant at Adrian Group. The completion of the project does not mean the end of our work. On the contrary, service and technical care are the foundation of safe, economical, and long-term reliable operation of all our equipment. Part of the Adrian Group offer is a range of professional service activities: warranty service, post-warranty service, expert inspections, expert tests, service inspections, revisions of designated technical gas equipment, further revision of reserved technical electrical equipment, winterizing, dewinterizing, regular maintenance, and also servicing of Riello burners. The aim is to ensure that all infrared heaters, warm air heaters, and cooling units operate safely, efficiently, and with the longest possible lifespan. Regular maintenance can detect even small faults that may develop into serious problems, such as gas leaks or sudden heating failures during the season. Prevention is always cheaper than repair. Neglected maintenance can lead to high costs and even permanent damage to the equipment. If the technology is not maintained, its performance and lifespan quickly decline. A typical example is a clogged infrared heater burner head that has not been cleaned for years. Such neglect significantly increases the risk of failure and repair costs. A well-configured and tuned system saves energy, just as a well-maintained car saves fuel. Service contracts guarantee the highest possible efficiency of heating and cooling. The service is carried out by professional technicians with certification, specialized tools, and quick access to spare parts. Thanks to this, we can resolve faults quickly and reliably.